Hi, my name is Angie, and I am living in Billings, Montana. And right now, I am working as an addiction counselor. I run intensive outpatient treatment. And um, let's see, the reason that I decided at this point in my life to pursue the social work program is because I do want to go further in my career, and I would like to work with people that have mental health issues as well as trauma. And um, I think I waited so long because I had a lot of fear that I wasn't going to be smart enough for the master's program. Um, so I had a lot of fear about that. I took my first class last semester and I did really well. So I feel like I have the capability, the intelligence to be able to get through this. And it's not as hard as I thought it was going to be managing my life as a single mom as well as working full time. So it's working out pretty well. I have a lot of support, so that helps. And I'm looking forward to meeting everybody in class. Thanks for listening.